Hello, viewers. Welcome to today's session. Our today's topic is Determinants of Educational Policy. Please watch the full video carefully and write down the important points. At the end, you will find some multiple choice questions to check and strengthen your learning. Let us understand Determinants of Educational Policy. Educational policy refers to the principles and government policies in the educational sphere which are aimed at achieving national goals through structured and planned education systems. These policies are dynamic and multifaceted. They are shaped by an interplay of philosophical, political, economic, social, and psychological factors. A sound educational policy considers all these determinants to address national needs and global aspirations, ensuring quality and equity in education. 1. Philosophical determinants. Educational policies are rooted in philosophical ideals of a nation, what we believe education should do for individuals and society. Philosophies like idealism, naturalism, pragmatism, and existentialism shape the aims, methods, and outcomes of education. For example, Mahatma Gandhi's Nai Talim was rooted in the philosophy of self-reliance and holistic education. 2. Political determinants. Education is a state responsibility and is influenced by the ruling political ideology. Policies vary with government priorities, example secularism, democracy, nationalism. For instance, National Education Policy (NEP) 2020 reflects the current government's vision of making India a global knowledge superpower. 3. Economic determinants. A nation's economic condition plays a key role in policy formulation. Budget allocation for education, resource availability, and cost effectiveness of educational programs are all economic factors. Richer nations may have policies supporting free education, while poorer nations focus on basic literacy and universal enrollment. 4. Social and cultural determinants. Policies are shaped by social structure, diversity, language, religion, and traditions. In a multicultural country like India, policies ensure inclusive education, language rights, and reservation policies. For example, policies for marginalized groups like SC Cent, OBC, girls, and minorities address social equity. 5. Technological determinants. With rapid advancements in ICT, information and communication technology, education policies now promote digital literacy and online learning. For instance, initiatives like Swayam, Diksha, and National Digital Education Architecture, DEAR, in NEP 2020. 6. Psychological determinants. Policies consider child development theories, learning psychology, and cognitive development stages. Psychological principles help design age-appropriate curriculum and inclusive strategies for different learners, example CWSN children with special needs. 7. International and global influences. Global agendas such as UN Sustainable Development Goals (SDG 4) for quality education, UNESCO recommendations, and international comparisons like PISA also shape national education policies. Participation in global education forums influences reforms and policy shifts. 8. Historical determinants. Past educational experiences, colonial legacy, and outcomes of previous policies guide the formulation of new policies. For example, the Kothari Commission, 1964 to 66, influenced the National Policy on Education, NPE, 1986. 9. Demographic determinants. policies are responsive to population growth, literacy levels, urban-rural divide, and gender disparities. Education planning must address the needs of different age groups, regions, and linguistic communities. 10. Legal and constitutional determinants. The Constitution of India provides a framework for policy through Article 21A, Right to Education. Directive Principles of State Policy, Articles 41, 45, 46. Concurrent list, shared responsibility of center and states. Dear viewers, let's solve some important multiple choice questions based on the presentation. 1. Which of the following is not a determinant of educational policy? A. Economic condition of the country. B. Astrological beliefs of leaders. C. Political ideology. D. Technological advancement. Answer B. Astrological beliefs of leaders. 2. The National Education Policy (NEP) 2020 reflects which determinant most directly? A. Technological. B. Philosophical. C. Political. D. Demographic. Answer C. Political. 3. The Kothari Commission is an example of which determinant influencing educational policy? A. Philosophical. B. Historical. C. Economic. D. Psychological. Answer B. Historical. 4. Article 21 of the Indian Constitution deals with A. Right to equality. B. Right to education. C. Right to freedom. D. Right to privacy. Answer B. Right to education. 5. Which international agenda influences education policy at the global level? A. GATT. B. IMF reforms. C. SDG 4. D. WTO Education Charter. Answer C. SDG 4. 6. Philosophical determinants of education are concerned with A. Economic growth targets. B. Learning psychology. C. Educational aims and values. D. Budget allocation. Answer C. Educational aims and values. 7. The inclusion of ICT in classrooms reflects which determinant of education policy? A. Philosophical. B. Psychological. C. Technological. D. Political. Answer C. Technological. 8. Social and cultural determinants of policy ensure A. Standardized testing. B. Technological integration. C. Multilingual and inclusive education. D. International collaboration. Answer C. Multilingual and inclusive education. 9. The policy of reservation in educational institutions is based on which determinant? A. Economic. B. Social and cultural. C. Philosophical. D. Technological. Answer B. Social and cultural. 10. The Diksha platform is an initiative under which determinant of policy? A. Political. B. Technological. C. Historical. D. Legal. Answer B. Technological. 11. A country's GDP allocation for education is a part of which determinant? A. Psychological. B. Philosophical. C. Economic. D. Social. Answer C. Economic. 12. Inclusion of special education needs is guided by which determinant? A. Psychological. B. Technological. C. Historical. D. Political. Answer A. Psychological. 13. UNESCO's recommendations to member countries influence which determinant? A. Legal. B. Global international. C. Political. D. Demographic. Answer B. Global international. 14. The RT Act 2009 falls under which determinant of educational policy? A. Philosophical. B. Legal and constitutional. C. Economic. D. Social. Answer B. Legal and constitutional. Thank you, don't miss out. Subscribe now to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, for insightful content and valuable resources.